my name is Pelaez Matos. I study automatic manufacturing, and today I will be talking about milling machine. The milling machine is the process of machine using rotary to remove material, be advancing and cutter a workpiece. This may be done varying duration and one several axes, cutter head speed, and pressures. Milling covers a wide variety of different operations and machines on a scale from small individual parts to large. Heavy-duty game milling operation. It is one of the most commonly using process for machine parts to presses tolerance. Milling can be done one with a wide range of machine tools. The original class of machine tools for milling was the milling machine of the color of mill. After the advance of computer control CNC in the 1916, milling machine evolved into machine centers. Machine centers, milling machine augmented by automatic tools charged to magazines or cold cells, CNC capacity, culture system, and enclosed. Milling centers generally classified vertical machine centers (VMCS) or horizontal machine centers (HMCS). The integration of milling into turning environment and vice versa begin with the living tooling to beginning lift tooling for lathes and the occasional use of milling for turning operation. This led to a new class of machine tools, multitasking machine (MTMS). We are proposed building to facilitate milling and turning with the same working environment. The milling process removes material by performing many separate small cuts. This is completion by using a cutter with many teeth, spinning the cutter on the high speed, or advancing the material through the cutter slowly. Most often it is some combination of this approach. The speech and feeds using are varied to suit a combination of varied. The speech at which the piece advances through the current is called feed rate or use feed. Is most of a measure and length of material performed revolution of the current. There are two major classes of milling process. In the milling, they occur action primarily at the end corners of the milling cutter. Face milling is used to cut surface into the workpiece or the cut flat butter conveyor. Or peripheral milling, they current action occurs primarily along the circumference of the cutter, so that the cross section of the milling surface ends up reserving the shapes of the cutter. In the case, the blades of of the coater can be seen spouting of material from the workpiece. Peripheral milling is the weld suite to the coating of the slope to the coating of deep slots treated on great teeth. Many different types of the coating are used in the milling process of milling coating such as egg mills may have coating surface across their entity and surface so that they can be drilled in the workpiece. The milling coater may also peripheral milling. The tools optimized for face milling and teeth to only small coater are their corners. The curved surface of milling are generally a hard temperature resistant material so that they wear slowly. A low-cost coater may have surface of high speed steel, more expensive but slower wearing material includes cement carbide. The thin coating may be applied to decrease friction or increase hardness. The air corner contain two typical use of milling machine or machine center to perform milling operation. Their movement with machine or directly from the coarse shapes. As material passes through area of milling machine, the blade of the take a swath of a material of regular intervals and surface could be inside of the coater as peripheral milling. Therefore, always counter regular rides. The distance between ride on the head of the ride depends on the right number of coating surface and the coating surface and the coating diameter with a narrow cut right field rate. This revolution rate and can be significant variation on surface finish.